Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Jay's Journey. My name is Drakita Perry, and today I wanted to speak about what it would actually take in order to start an online business. Specifically, my online business. Hey. So, I've been doing a lot of research on YouTube, online. I've been doing this for years. So, just a quick backstory about me. I have been doing this entrepreneurial thing for a while. When I say a while, I mean, let's see. Yeah, high school. When I first got a taste of money making, I had came up with this idea because I saw somebody else doing it. I said, well, hell, if they're doing it, I can do it. There was this kid who would sell candy bars to everybody in school. And I'm like, well, I can do that. So I went to the store, bought some candy bars, brought them to school the next day, and sure enough, people bought them from me. I'll be damned. So I took my $1 investment in a pack of candy bars. Each pack came, it was the small travel size one. So each pack came with, I think, like 10 mini candy bars. I sold them for a quarter each. So, each pack more than doubled what I spent on it. So I turned a profit for the first time in my life, and I have had dollar signs in my eyes ever since. For as long as I can remember, I have tried to take every opportunity out there. I have done Avon. I have done the dreaded vector marketing, where you go around and try to sell people knives, basically. I have done an actual opportunity where you knock on people's door-to-door salesman. Hey, I've done that and actually was pretty good at it. I actually got promoted to, you always start at this one level, and then I got to the next level. And I was like, this is great and all, but I hate this. Like, I really freaking hate this. So yeah, I quit. Bye, thanks. What else? I've done so many. I can't even name them. So many MLM opportunities out there. I've gone to so many seminars. The real estate, how to flip houses, how to sell notes on houses. So when people sell their house and they don't go through a realtor and they just sell their house outright, they put a note on it. It's a whole convoluted thing. Let's not worry about that. I've done a lot, okay? A lot of opportunities out there. So, trying to find that one, right? I think we've all been there. I don't know about you, but I've tried them all. Tried them all. And I'm still trying them. One of these days, I'm going to get it right. So, lately, when I've kind of made my absolute final push to try this online marketing thing again, trying to build my dreams one by one, one brick at a time. One of the few things, there's going to be three things. The first one that you're going to see in pretty much every video, every program you start, every seminar you go to, whatever it is, every course you try to take, three main things. I've watched a lot of them. I'm going to save you a lot of time here, okay? The first one, what is your niche? Niche. Niche. Whatever it's called. I say niche. Whatever. Basically, what is it? What realm are you comfortable in? What is something that you could do every day, either better than the next person, or you have the most knowledge or passion? One of the three, or all three. For some people, it might have to do with pets. Okay, that's a category, but what's your actual specific niche? There's what? Cats, dogs, birds, snakes. Each individual pet is its own niche, and each pet has an even more specific niche. But you don't want to get too specific because then you'll just end up with, oh, pets, uh, spotted frogs or something like that. And, how many products are there out there for spotted frogs? None. So, what I will do, and this is the first of the series, what I'm going to do is actually upload a video on each one. So, this one, we're going to focus on the niche. I'm just going to say niche. I like niche. It rolls off the tongue. Niche. That's it. I'm changing it. Niche. So, I'm thinking to myself, what is my actual niche? What is something I like to do? What is something I can do? What is something I'm good at? Well, I like helping people. I've always liked helping people. Um, One thing I really do want to try, um, not only for my personal growth, but to help people, I kind of want to get into the whole motivation. Maybe one day even becoming a motivatical. Motivatical. I'm sorry, that was from Squidbillies. Motivational speaker. Um, that would be nice to help people, um, to get people to see that it's not as bad as they think, to get people to believe in themselves, because Lord knows there's a whole world out there of people who just don't believe in themselves. There's a whole world of people out there that are not bringing their talents forward because they've talked themselves down. They've talked themselves out of pursuing their dreams for whatever reason. Low self-esteem, depression, maybe they were picked on, friends and family does not support them, whatever. So I really resonate with that because let's be honest, we all need a helping hand. So one thing you'll see on this channel is a lot of motivation. Um, Real talk and motivation. Because let's be honest, we need both. I'm not going to, sell you any kind of dreams. I'm not going to make any promises that I do not believe in. None of that. If it's on this channel, it's real, it's authentic, it's something I truly believe in. So that's one thing, and that's great. But secondly, going back to what I said, I got money signs in my eyes. I want to make money. I want to log into my account, my ClickBank account, my, whatever account, and see dollars, lots of dollars. I want to be able to go to Maui just cause, you know, take a trip on a jet, my private jet, have a butler and all of that crazy nonsense. I mean, maybe one day, let's be real, I'm not going to do all that, but maybe I will because, I'm extra. So I want to help people build online business and, help myself a little too, hey. So you're going to get a little of both motivation and online marketing, a little of both because honestly, and I really truly believe this, like you can't have one without the other. You can't um, think you're going to make it in any kind of business without actually believing in yourself. So you can have the greatest idea for a product. this product is going to change the world, it's going to make you a billionaire. But if you talk yourself out of it, what's the point? So I feel like it goes hand in hand. So I feel like as far as a niche, I'm actually just going to focus on two. So you're going to get a little of both. Actually, a lot of both, because I'm going all in. So get ready for a lot of videos, motivating, and then we'll talk business. The second video I think I'll make, and the second topic that we'll talk about is products. You want to be an online marketer, you need a product, at least a service or something. You need something to sell, basically. Third, okay, you figured out what category you like, figured out what product you like. How do you sell it? Where are you going to sell it? How do you actually get people to look at you and look at your webpage and buy your product or service? So all of those things I'm going to cover, with this one being the first, how to choose your niche. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, if you want to take this journey with me, I'm not making any promises here. We're taking this one step at a time, literally. I don't know everything. I'm not going to pretend I know everything. If I don't know something, you'll know. If I do know something, you'll definitely know. I won't shut up about it. Believe me, one step at a time. So we'll figure this out together, basically. So if you want to take this journey with me, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.